Just 8 years old, her eyes wide and bright, riding a train in the fading daylight. Mom and Dad stepped out at the station's end. She tried to follow but couldn't pretend. Doors started closing, the rush came too fast. Heart beating wildly, unsure if she lasts. Alone in the carriage, the world slipped away. Questions inside her, where will I stay? Lost on the last train, nowhere to go. The empty seats whisper stories she doesn't know. Do they see me? Do they miss me now? I couldn't make the step, couldn't figure out how. Her little hands hold tight to the rail she clings to. Faces outside but no one sees her blue. Silent tears drop as the stations pass by, wondering if her parents hear her soft sigh. The whistle blows, the night starts to fall. A lonely girl on a journey with no call. Hope's fragile light flickers inside her chest. Does anyone know she's lost and depressed? Lost on the last train, nowhere to go. The empty seats whisper stories she doesn't know. Do they see me? Do they miss me now? I couldn't make the step, couldn't figure out how. If they're looking, if they're worried, if they're near, hear my silent heartbeat, see my quiet fear. Hold on to hope, reach out your hand, bring me back to where I can stand. Lost on the last train, nowhere to go. The empty seats whisper stories she doesn't know. Do they see me? Do they miss me now? I couldn't make the step, couldn't figure out how.